my God, this is crazy. You know, we love when young people branch out. And my guest is currently doing her PhD. I said she was a med student, but nope. She's doing a PhD in molecular biology. And she's the founder of Goodies Organic Skincare line. Some people say, yeah, Goody. They're talking about Eleanor Terrelong's project. Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to Smash Jamaica, Eleanor. Talk to me about how this started. Molecular biology, skincare line. Sound like something happened somewhere.
Well, yes, I'm a science student,
Yeah.
and I'm an experimenter at heart. So I always used to make these face masks for myself, you know, just in my house, because, you know, I don't really buy skin products. And I think early last year I thought, well, you know, I can probably do this and people would like it and I could make a business out of it. And then from my science training, you know, I know how to do things like sterilize and make up I pretty much make my products the same way I do my experiments. So I have my protocol with my ingredients, all of that, my little lab book.
All right.
So yeah,
Do
this
you
is
like a testing?
my little testing.
Correct.
And then experiment and see what works, you know, what formula works, get feedback and improve it. So that's really how this was born, you
In
know.
a nutshell.
Yes.
All right, so how did you decide what are the areas that you, because tropical skin and tropical climate, and we have different things that we have problems with. What kind of research went into deciding what? Are you just say, you know, my skin want this, mega make this? Talk to me.
Well, I talk to people, especially, you know, my friends that wear makeup and that are really into skincare, figure out what kind of products they use, what kind of products they would like to use. And then what I try to do is use all Jamaican ingredients that have some of the scientific properties that they're looking for and create these products. So yeah, that's
So let's walk through them. The
Sure.
cameras will pick them up so we don't have to
Okay.
take them up. This one I like.
This is the Glow.
It's the Glow.
Yes, it's turmeric and honey based, and it's very good for reducing dark marks, scars, discoloration, that sort of thing, sort of even out your skin tone. It's also good, like right before you put on your makeup, you put on a little glow, so you have a kind of natural highlight. You don't need any highlights when you have the Glow as a base.
I asked her about a particular problem area for us tropical people, and all the men in the studio went, they gasped. But she said it works there. The ladies know what I'm talking about. And here, so that's the Glow.
That's the Glow.
This is the Jenna.
This is the Jenna. This is especially for the men, although the ladies can use it too. But there's coconut oil in it, which will nourish their beard, give them that luscious beard. It has coffee grounds. It smells amazing. It's good for ingrown hair, so it kind of exfoliates your skin as well.
Really?
That sort of thing, yes. So
You should have carry a old jump on to them man in here. So you say them are going to look supple.
Yes, them are going to look supple. Them beard are going to flourish on all of them something there.
Okay, nice. And then there, well, it says what it is, the exfoliator.
This is the exfoliator. It's brown sugar based, with tea tree oil. And tea tree oil is a very good antibacterial, antimicrobial agent, so it will clean out your skin, get rid of acne, whiteheads, that sort of thing.
And then the Nourisher.
And then the Nourisher is what I call the basic. So you can do this every night before you go to bed, just replenish your skin after day. It's oatmeal and honey based, so it moisturizes your skin, it replenishes the nutrients in your skin.
Oatmeal and honey?
Yes.
Does it absorb into the skin, Eleanor? Can me put on oatmeal and honey when me get up and so go dry me out of the
No,
bed?
don't worry about the ants. You only leave it on for maybe 20 minutes and then you wash it off.
Oh,
so
okay.
you don't have to sleep in it.
I tell
you
you,
wash it off.
Portmore ants, not joke. All right, so those are the four
Those are the masks.
main things. So those are the masks. And are these larger sizes?
Yeah, these are the larger sizes
of the mask. So you sell them in the one I can pop into my bag?
Yes, you can get a
And
small
the
one.
travel sizes.
Yes.
And then these are
And then when you buy the full kit, you get an applicator with it. You get a pair of gloves because you don't want to mess up your pretty nails.
Right.
And you get the information card that gives you all the information on how to use the products.
And those are the two sizes?
Yes,
they don't
those
have a
are the two
larger
sizes.
Okay, but I think you'd have like a big one.
I can work on it.
I like Harold need. Him have to go supple from him head top. Come right down. So you've done those.
Yes.
So these are mini goodies. What are they?
These are lip balms.
Lip balms.
So after I experimented with the face mask, I realized that, you know, I really wanted a lip balm that was going to stay on all day.
Eleanor, can I tell you that you brought the thing like test tubes? Like a test tube holder. All right, so they're lip balms.
Yes.
Yes, stay on all day.
They stay on all day. You put it on in the morning, you're good for the day. I have the moisturizer, the exfoliator, and the nourisher. Those don't have any color. And then the ones at the front are the colored ones. I have the Queen, which is gold, the Stay Good, which is pink, the Bad Girl, the purple one, and the blue one, Yes Goody.
So church people, now wear them something here.
Of course.
But after me can go to church and tell pastor
That you
me
stay
have
good?
stay good.
Why?
No, sir, look here. You need to do one name Hallelujah. May I tell you, Eleanor? You need one name Hallelujah.
Okay.
Please find a nice color that's almost
Like a
transparent.
nude.
Yeah,
Okay.
almost
Hallelujah.
transparent. Just a little tip of color. And pastor say, we don't like your thing. I say, hallelujah. But you can't go to church and pastor say, why you have on daily? I say, bad girl. No. So the moisturizer is in shea butter, coconut oil, beeswax, vitamin E, peppermint.
Yes.
So it's great for the lips. The nourisher,
Has in a little bit of oatmeal and honey.
oatmeal. Yes, man.
The exfoliator has
Eleanor.
coffee grounds in it, so it exfoliates
Yeah.
your lips while you're wearing it.
Eleanor, you know what I like about this? I like that young people are using their knowledge from other areas and moving into other things. Because people think molecular biology and them think it's only one thing you could have got to do with molecular biology. But see it here, lip balm, exfoliator, nourisher, all kind of things.
Stay good.
Good, just yeah, be good. Be a goodie, J-A.
goodie.
So hashtag be a
goodie.
goodie, J-A. And me tell you, from now, summer soon, carnival will come up, summer soon come, you know, you have those little areas that you need to. The glow, she got
Yes.
you. Make sure they find her on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook at Be a Goodie, J-A.
And you can order straight from the website, beagoodie.com.
Nice. All right, so founder of Goodies, an organic skincare line, Eleanor Terry Lang, and she not come in a plastic bag type band.
Yes,
She come in a nice
yes.
like a box or anything. Eleanor know where I go on. All right, we're gonna be right back. Stay, Aubrey.
Yes, goodie.
Yes, Goodie. No, Eleanor, church, this can't wear go to church. We soon come back.